Hello and welcome to our video tutorials series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to cancel individual IP addresses. Log into our panel and click on the IP addresses menu item in the side menu. Under IP groups, navigate into the IP group where you wish to cancel IP addresses. Select the IP addresses you want to cancel and click the Cancel button. If you are absolutely sure you wish to cancel your selected IP addresses, click the button Yes, Cancel. A cancellation request feedback dialog will open. Please provide the reason for cancellation, and rate us on a scale of 1 to 5 on how likely you would recommend us to your friends or colleagues. Click the Submit button. Now your cancellation request has been received by our system, and it will automatically cancel your IP addresses at the end of your order's billing cycle. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.